Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2033 code? This code indicates that the exhaust gas temperature sensor on bank 1 sensor 2 is sending a higher than normal voltage signal to the ECU. If ignored, it can lead to incorrect temperature readings and poor emission system control. P2033 stands for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit high, bank 1 sensor 2. In simple terms, the ECU thinks the exhaust temperature signal is to high, usually caused by a short circuit, faulty sensor, or wiring damage. Common symptoms include check engine light on, emission system warnings, possible regeneration issues in diesel vehicles, higher fuel consumption, and reduced engine efficiency. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 1 sensor 2 is located on the exhaust system, usually after the turbocharger and close to the catalytic converter or DPF unit under the vehicle. It is screwed into the exhaust pipe and exposed to extreme heat. The sensor wiring runs along the exhaust line and connects to the ECU through heat-protected harnesses. For quick diagnosis, use an obd2 scanner to monitor live exhaust temperature data. If the temperature reading is extremely high or stuck, inspect the sensor and its circuit. Check the wiring for short to power, melted insulation, or heat damage near the exhaust. Inspect connectors for tight fit and corrosion. If the sensor signal remains high even after inspection, the exhaust gas temperature sensor may need replacement. Finally, fix any wiring shorts, replace the faulty sensor if required, clear the diagnostic code, and perform a road test to ensure the issue is resolved. Repairing P2033 will restore accurate temperature feedback and proper emission system performance.